Welcome guys, I'm Chef Daz. What I'm going to make for you guys today is a really simple recipe. It's Parmesan garlic wings. This is simple. So the first thing that you want to grab is a chicken wing drumette. Next thing you want is nice garlic cloves. The garlic is the main part of this recipe. You also want kosher salt, black pepper. Lastly, shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my garlic. I'm going to make a garlic paste. The way you really do that is simple. So I'm going to cut the tips off of this garlic. It's important that you have a really, really sharp knife when doing this. It makes your job a lot easier. Now that I have all my tips cut, I'm going to simply take the heel of my knife. And what this is going to do is crush and flatten all the garlic. My cutting board is going to be my mixing bowl. And I'll tell you why in a second. So first thing I'm going to do is do a nice rough chop on all this garlic. Remember, a very, very sharp knife is good. I'm going to add 2 pinches of kosher salt to the garlic. Now what that's going to do, that's going to provide a nice paste. And I'm going to take my knife and just mix it together really well. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to toss this right into the Parmesan cheese. And with my hands, I'm just going to mix it up. So when using raw chicken, it's very important that you have a pair of gloves around because salmonella is a bad thing. You don't want to risk it. So now that I have my chicken, I'm going to add my favorite word, a pinch. A pinch of salt. And a pinch of pepper. So I'm going to drop these right in. Make sure I take these gloves off because now they are contaminated. These normally take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook at about 350 degrees. So now I'm going to pull these chicken wings up. Make sure I drain the excess oil. I'm going to drop these right into my garlic and Parmesan mixture. The reason I want to drop them in while they're nice and hot is so that Parmesan cheese can start to melt over the chicken wing. All right, now that I have them nice and mixed, I'm going to put them right on the center of a plate. Presentation is key. So now that I have my chicken wings right in the middle, the last thing I want to do is add a little bit of color. So I have fresh chives here that I diced up really well. So I'm going to take them and sprinkle them on a plate. And voila, magic. Who doesn't like a nice chicken wing? I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.